All right, this is time for it's time for something that's really my favorite in the show. I've never gotten a chance to present these before. I've never gotten to see them before. And again, these are by Temp-tations, but how cool are these? They're a set of 3, first of all, right? So let's start there. Of that hand-painted ceramic that we've come to know and love of Temp-tations, that they bring us all of those pieces for the kitchen. But again, now for the decor, this is so cool. So a set of 3. All right, so candle holders, great. Good for you. Thank you. Love them. Guess what? They're not just candle holders. They're also vases, all right? So now you have 3 vases because they're all reversible. So if somebody buys you a beautiful bouquet of flowers, you have where to put them, or you use them to put anything else that you would use a vase for. And then when you don't have any fresh flowers or anything else, you use these as your pedestals. So either for your faux, your flameless candles, or for your pillar candles as well as that gorgeous centerpiece, or even just as your pedestals to put on anything else that you would use for your decor, right? Like any figurines, anything like that go right on top. So, all right, we are limited right off the bat. So if you would like this pattern right here, which is called Egg Hunt, we have 330 available, that hand-painted ceramic with the beautiful bow. This is called Flutter, and it's all pastel butterflies. We have 160 in the Flutter. And we have Woodland Mint, 150 as well. So special, unusual, unique. What a beautiful way to dress your table. I mean, the Egg Hunt obviously is spring, summer, but the butterflies could be year-round. The Woodland Mint also year-round. But again, let me show you how smart these are. I've actually never seen anything like this before. So as you have them like this, they are your pedestal. They are your flameless candle holder, right? Or even your pillar candle holder. When somebody is beautiful enough to bring you home a bouquet of flowers, or you decided to bring home a bouquet of flowers from the store, now you have 3 different size vases to put them in as well. And you use them as you like, however you want. Now, let me give you the sizes. So the large, the one in the center, is 10 inches in height, 4 inches in diameter. The medium one is 8 inches in height, 4 inches in diameter. They're all the same diameter. And the small is 6 inches in height and 4 inches in diameter. So we have 3 pieces right here. You're getting all 3, but in reality, they are 6 pieces. So when you break it down, this comes out to $6 and change each piece. So this is, you are getting, if you would buy 3 pedestals, that's wonderful, right? You would go out and buy 3 pedestals to use on your mantle, to use as your centerpiece with, again, not just the candles on top, but also with any figurines you need for your decor. But you would also go out and buy 3 different vases if you wanted to. And right now, these would be $6 each. They are gorgeous. You can mix and match them. Something that we all know is that giving height and dimension to any decor and any tablescape is so important, and you can do that with these. And again, something different, something unique. And I love something that's versatile, right? Because you might have your pedestals, but like me the other day, Valentine's Day, I was very happy to receive a beautiful bouquet of roses, a beautiful bouquet of balloons. But guess what? Since I moved, all my vases, I put them in the storage. I don't know why. I don't know why I did that, but I didn't have a vase. So in my head, I do have pedestals on my island, but I was like, what am I going to do with a vase? I ended up getting one of those big beer, actually, no, it wasn't a beer mug. It was like, I have a giant, well, a really big cup, and I use that as a vase. But if I would have had this, I would say, oh, okay, hold on. Let me take the candle out of this one and use it as a vase. I think they are so smart, but not only smart, but absolutely gorgeous. All hand-painted ceramic. As you can see, you have all the different Easter eggs. So we have 100 gone right now. You have your colorful Easter eggs and little flowers with the egg hunt right here. You're getting all 3 pieces. We also have Flutter. And can we do a little close-up so we can see the beautiful pastel color butterflies and flowers as well? That's got like a really nice different type of painting, not just as the one we're always used to with Temp-tations, but it looks like a gorgeous different type of painting with the butterflies. And then we also have the Woodland Mint for you. Right now, feature price of 3 easy payments of $12.33. Reversible, practical, space saver, and money saver as well. So get your hands on your set of 3 candle holders and vases. Ooh, these are coming up in a